Hello everybody and welcome to another NetHunt CRM tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to manage your Google Contacts in NetHunt. Lots of people use Google Contacts every day, and why wouldn't they? Contacts is a quick and convenient tool that works both on your mobile device and your personal computer. Now you can sync all of your Google Contacts with your NetHunt CRM system for even more convenience. Before you copy all of your contacts, you should first break them down into labels. You don't need friend and family contacts mixed into the same system where you keep your business contacts, right? Simply mark all the contacts you want to transfer to the NetHunt system and assign them to the same label. As soon as you're done labeling, head to the settings and find the Google Contacts Sync tab. Click Sync and choose the same label you've just created. All of the contacts under this label will synchronize with the contacts folder in NetHunt. If you don't have this folder, don't worry. NetHunt creates one automatically and all of the necessary data is matched respectively. By the way, if you had a photo attached to a contact, it attaches itself to the NetHunt contact record as well. The same applies to a contact's company. If somebody is listed as working for a company in Google Contacts, it is preserved. The system creates a new company in your company's folder and links both records. If the company's record is already there, the system simply establishes a relation between the records. Google Contacts Sync doesn't make duplicates. What's more, whenever the sync is running, it checks through the records for duplicates. If a record already exists, NetHunt only updates it with any missing information it needs to. NetHunt syncs at the same time every day. If you need it to be disabled or sync your contacts manually, you can click here and choose from the options. If you find this video useful, hit those like and subscribe buttons. We post informational videos every week. Let us know what you want to hear next week in the comments below. If you still haven't tried NetHunt, sign up today for free. The link is in the description. And bye for now!